Hi everyone and welcome to my second English video tutorial. Do you remember the module I showed you in the previous tutorial? I mean freedom module. Well, after a processing of it, this is what I made, Saturn Pendant. In this video I will show you how to make it. Here it is the list of the materials you need to make it. Pellet beads, I'm using Aztec gold ones. 3mm fire polished beads, matte metallic flux is the color. 15O seed beads, the color is PF 557. 4mm Preziosa pearls, Super Duo beads, 8O seed beads, PF 557, 11O seed beads, PF 557, 3mm Magatama beads, the color is crystal gold lined, 0.15mm fireline thread, size 12 needle. The first step we have to do is to add new beading thread. The thread exits one of the size 8 seed beads. Pick up 7 11O seed beads and pass through the next 8O seed bead. You can also make this step working on the back side of the module. I think it should be easier for you. Repeat this step on all the pearls. Bring the thread exiting the fourth bead of one of the arches we have made in the previous step, and now we are going to work with pellet and Super Duo beads. Pick up a pellet, a Super Duo and another pellet and pass through the fourth bead of the next arc and repeat this step till the end. Then pass 2 more times the thread through the beads to make the work stronger. This is the final result. The thread exits the down hole of the Super Duo. Bring it at the top hole of the same Super Duo, and now we are ready to work with the 3mm fire polished beads. Pick up a sequence of 3mm fire polished beads and pass through the next 2 Super Duo beads. Repeat this step to complete the entire round. This is the result, and now we start working with the 4mm pearls. The thread exits a sequence of 3 fire polished beads. Pick up a 4mm pearl and pass through the next sequence of 3 fire polished beads. Repeat this step until the end of the round. Now we are going to make the raise, and the thread exits a sequence of 3 fire polished beads. Then pick up one 15-0 seed bead, one 11-0, one 8-0, one 11-0 and another 15-0 seed bead, and pass through the top 6mm pearl from the right to the left and pull the thread. Pick up again the same sequence of beads and pass again through the 3 fire polished beads and go on until you complete all the round. This is the final result, and now you have to bring the thread exiting one of the 6mm pearls. We are going to work with magatama beads to fill some empty spaces between the pearls. So, pick up a magatama bead and pass through the next pearl, and repeat this step until you have filled all the spaces. Bring the thread exiting the middle fire polished bead of one of the sequences and pick up 2 15-0 seed beads, 1 magatama bead and 2 15-0 seed beads, and pass again through the middle fire polished bead. Pass through the next beads and repeat this step on each fire polished bead settled at the center of the sequence. Our Saturn pendant is now just completed. I haven't done a loop because I will show you in the next video what will I do with these modules. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Thumbs up if you like my video, share it with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English tutorials. Thanks again and bye bye!